Ever wondered if there's a natural way to combat inflammation? Inflammation, that pesky bodily response to injury or infection, can sometimes overstay its welcome, leading to chronic health issues. But nature, in its infinite wisdom, has provided a myriad of remedies. Among these, certain beverages hold the power to not only quench your thirst, but also reduce inflammation naturally. Today we're going to explore some of these potent brews. Stay tuned as we delve into the top drinks that can help you keep inflammation at bay. First on our list is the ever-popular green tea. This ancient brew is not just your everyday cuppa. It's packed with potent antioxidants called catechins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Studies suggest that these compounds can help reduce inflammation and even fight off some inflammatory diseases. But the goodness of green tea does not stop there. It's a versatile drink, easy to prepare whether you're at home or on the go. And beyond its inflammation-fighting properties, it's also been linked to heart health, weight loss, and an overall boost in well-being. Best of all, it's widely available from your local supermarket to online stores. So, a cup of green tea a day might just keep the inflammation away. Next up, we have Tart cherry juice, a lesser-known but potent anti-inflammatory drink. This ruby-red beverage is packed with antioxidants, vital for neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, are credited with the juice's anti-inflammatory properties. They help to reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of inflammation-causing enzymes, providing relief from the discomfort associated with conditions like arthritis. But the benefits of Tart cherry juice extend beyond just inflammation. It's also been linked to aiding muscle recovery, especially after strenuous workouts. Imagine easing your aching muscles with a glass of this tangy elixir. And for those who struggle with catching some shut-eye, Tart cherry juice might just be your ticket to dreamland, as it's believed to improve sleep quality. Tart cherry juice, a sweet and sour solution to your inflammation problems. Third on our list is turmeric milk, an age-old remedy from the East. This potent brew, often dubbed as liquid gold, is packed with curcumin, a compound that gives turmeric its distinctive yellow hue. Curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, helping to soothe inflammation from the inside out. But the wonders of turmeric milk don't stop there. It's incredibly simple to prepare. Just warm up some milk, stir in a spoonful of turmeric, and you've got yourself a healing elixir. Beyond battling inflammation, this golden drink boosts immunity, aids digestion, and can even help you sleep better. It's no wonder then that turmeric milk has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. A simple drink, yet so powerful. Turmeric milk, a golden drink with golden benefits. Last but not least, we have Pineapple-Bromelain juice, a tropical treat with more than just good taste. This delightful blend is a powerhouse when it comes to battling inflammation. The secret lies in bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapples, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a natural warrior, fighting inflammation one sip at a time. But that's not all. Pineapple-Bromelain juice is also a treasure trove of vitamin C, helping to boost your immune system while it soothes inflammation. And let's not forget about digestion. Bromelain aids in breaking down proteins, making your meals more manageable for your body. Plus, there are potential benefits for sinus health, making this juice a real all-rounder. Pineapple-Bromelain juice, a fruity solution to inflammation. Inflammation doesn't have to be a constant battle. We've explored 4 potent drinks: green tea, Tart cherry juice, turmeric milk, and pineapple-bromelain juice, each packed with natural compounds to combat inflammation. Why not give these beverages a go? Every sip might bring you a step closer to a healthier, more vibrant life. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider. Remember, the best medicine is often found in nature. Cheers to a healthier, inflammation-free life.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest